Quick little tip on dealing with exterior walls. Typically, as a best practice, I highly suggest that people work with walls level to level. And something that you get out of that is these lines sort of horizontally across your facade. Much easier to just join these. So I have a shortcut for that, JN. It's also this tool right here, join geometry. Just click the two walls, those lines are gone. And if you're dealing with a project that has existing conditions where you can, or where you're going to need to partially demo some walls, then this gives you that flexibility without having to remodel your model so that you can facilitate that demolition. So again, just make sure that you just clean up your exterior by just joining up your walls. Now you can see the corners, you're gonna run into some of these weird conditions where, you know, the wall joints are switching. So you want to make sure that you clean that out carefully. You can see I've gone all the way around and no horizontal lines. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Got any questions? Head over to bimdad.com and let us know. And of course, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future content. See you in the next one.